Downloaded a custom NS2 map for Natural Selection 2 and need to get it loaded into the game. These map files define entire playable levels. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through installing and loading these community-created game maps. Pro tip: for NS2 files that won't cooperate, you need a dedicated magic solution. I'll share my secret weapon program once we've exhausted all 3 troubleshooting steps. NS2 files are map and level files for Natural Selection 2, the asymmetric FPS/RTS hybrid game by Unknown Worlds Entertainment. They contain complete level geometry lighting data, entity placements, navigation meshes, and gameplay zone definitions that create playable environments for multiplayer matches. NS2 files are map and level files for Natural Selection 2, the asymmetric FPS/RTS hybrid game by Unknown Worlds Entertainment. They contain complete level geometry, lighting data, entity placements, navigation meshes, and gameplay zone definitions that create playable environments for multiplayer matches. The operating system preferentially attempts to open NS2 using Natural Selection 2 from Unknown Worlds Entertainment. Proper interaction and modification must be done through a dedicated utility for stability. Windows provides little insight into model or texture data, so compatible modding apps are required. To resolve the conflict, we need to test installed programs. Right-click your NS2 file and choose Open With. Attempt to open it with Natural Selection 2 if it is present. Otherwise, try another tool from the list. If the NS2 file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. A specialized format like NS2 demands specialized preparation. Let's ensure we have all the correct fundamental details checked off on our list. First, install the map. Copy the NS2 map file to the Natural Selection 2 maps directory, typically located in the game's installation folder under NS2 maps or in the Steam Workshop mods directory. If the map was downloaded from the Steam Workshop, it installs automatically to the correct location. Next, load in game. Launch Natural Selection 2 and start a local server, or use the console. Open the developer console with the tilde key and type map name to load the custom map. In the server browser, custom maps appear when servers are running them. Join a server hosting the map to play it online. Finally, open in Spark Editor. For map editing, open the NS2 file in the Spark Editor, the level design tool included with Natural Selection 2. Access it through the game's Launch Options or Tools menu. The editor displays the complete level with geometry, entities, lighting, and navigation mesh data available for modification. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.